Welcome to the new video. Today's video is about conversation between doctor and patient.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Are you okay? You seem pale and your voice sounds different.
Yes, doctor. I'm having a temperature and even a sore throat.
Don't worry, my boy. Let me check. A few moments later. I have checked your temperature. You have a moderate fever.
This thermometer is different from the last one you used. Is it can take original result?
Yes, this is introduced newly by medical supplies companies. It's much more comfortable and doesn't need cleaning after every use.
That's really great.
Yes, it is. Temperature is not too high, around 99.8. Let me check your blood pressure as well. After checking blood pressure. No worries. Your blood pressure is fine. I have also checked your throat. It seems a bit scruffy. Not good.
Yes, it has been quite bad.
Do you sweat and shiver?
Not sweating, but I feel slightly cold when I sit under a fan.
Okay, you have few signs of malaria. I would recommend you undergo a blood test. Nothing to worry about. In most cases, the test comes out to be negative. It's just careful, as there has been a spurt in malaria cases in the last month or so.
Though it seems like not so serious. But I'm scared, doctor.
No tension, my boy. There is nothing to worry about. Even I'm always here to guide you.
Thank you, doctor, for giving such courage to recover from my fever.
You are always welcome. Now, I am writing 3 medicines in syrup. The number of dots in front of each medicine name tells you how many times in the day you have to take them. For example, the 2 dots here mean you've to take the medicine twice in the day, once in the morning and once after dinner.
Where can I buy those medicine, doctor?
These are very available medicine. You can buy those on any pharmacy.
Oh, I see.
Do you have any other questions?
When do I meet again, doctor? Is it needed to meet again?
Yes, you should. After making blood test, you need to meet me again.
Okay, I will meet you after 2 or 3 days later.
If your condition remains decreased gradually, please contact me over phone. Here is my visiting card. Take it.
Thank you, doctor, for guiding me well.
You are welcome. See you soon.
Okay, doctor. We'll meet you soon.